What if the biggest upgrade to your health wasn't a workout or a supplement, but what happens while you're asleep? Most of us think change happens when we push harder, more gym time, stricter routines, more effort. But the truth is, a lot of your healing, recovery, and repair quietly happens at night, while you sleep. Welcome to day 2 of the 10-Day Health Reset Challenge. If you're here, it means you've already taken the first step, and that matters. Yesterday, we focused on intention. Today, we're going deeper, into something so simple, but so powerful: your sleep. Think of sleep as your body's natural repair system. While you sleep, your brain processes memories and releases stress. Your metabolism resets, hormones rebalance, your skin repairs, and your immune system prepares to protect you the next day. So when sleep improves, your mood improves, your focus improves, your cravings calm down, and your body finally gets a chance to function the way it's meant to. But in the world we live in today, sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice. Late night scrolling, stress, Netflix, work. And slowly, we forget what it actually feels like to be well rested. So today's goal is simple. We're not trying to be perfect. We're just building awareness. For tonight, try these small changes. First, avoid screens for 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Phones, laptops, TV, screens send alert signals to your brain. Giving your mind a break helps you wind down. Second, dim the lights in your room as you get closer to bedtime. This tells your brain that night has arrived, so it can naturally prepare for sleep. And third, try to sleep and wake at roughly the same time each day. Your body loves rhythm. When sleep becomes predictable, everything starts to work better. And if this feels like too much, just start with one small habit, one gentle change, because this challenge is not about chasing perfection. It's about learning to treat your body with respect, allowing it to rest, allowing it to restore you, allowing it to support you the way it's designed to. So tonight, give yourself permission to unwind. Slow down, breathe, and let your body do the quiet healing work it already knows how to do. And tomorrow, we're going to focus on something you do every single day. And a tiny shift there can completely change your energy levels. I'll see you in day 3.